Welcome back. Well, Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls is joining in now to help us with what he sees as a market movement for the rest of the day. Sacchitanand, thanks a lot for being with us on the show. It's very quiet, but the bias is more on the downside, especially after what happened yesterday. What do you do at a time like this with the index? And what about individual stocks? What are you looking at now?
Good afternoon, Sonia. Good afternoon, Ekta. I think the recovery from today's low has been very commendable, and if you look at the entire data set, it is still telling us that 18,600 remains as a very crucial support zone. So unless we don't see a closing below that particular level, the entire structure still remains a healthy buy on declines. In the last few trading sessions, we have seen some exhaustion, but there is no major weakness that is evident as of now. So we continue with our opinion of accumulating Nifty somewhere close to around 18,680. I think that will be a good level wherein some longs could be committed. On the higher side, once we see a breakout above 18,820, we may see the resumption of this particular up move again. So right now, I think unless the Nifty is trending above that 18,600 mark, every decline should be a good opportunity to accumulate longs for a probable target of around 18,800, 18,900. So I think the stance still remains bullish.
Okay, stance still remains bullish. How does that translate into specific stocks?
Well, there are two stock ideas which we have discussed with our clients. The first one is L&T Technology Services. Now, if you look at the weekly and the monthly structure, both were showing some kind of consolidation. The stock was oscillating well within 3950, 3800 kind of a zone. But the way its weekly RSI is now shaping up, there's a good chance that we may see a very durable breakout from this particular range. And that's why we are recommending building long positions here when it comes to L&T Technology Services. The probable target that we are seeing on the upside is placed somewhere close to 4,100. Stop loss for the trade should be placed at around 3860. The other stock that we have communicated right now is a long call on Tata Motors. So for the last 7 trading sessions, we saw this particular counter, respecting the resistance at around 570. The recovery has been very fast, and a very strong breakout on the daily scale is now evident. The entire structure looks like a bullish flag formation, which is again a continuation pattern. The pattern is indicating a price target of around 605. So that's why we are recommending building long positions here, keeping a stop loss somewhere close to 566.
All right, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's slip into a quick break on that note, but on the